Hi, Orchestra 3. You guys are on page 17. On page 17, your exercises will be 1, 2, and 3. For exercise 1, you are going over how to play D sharps. D sharps on the D string and D sharp on the A string, okay? D sharp on the D string is going to be extended hand position, but going back. So you have your first finger on E and then you slide back. The D sharp on the A string is going to be an extended third finger. So you have to really stretch for that. So you have E to D sharp. And then you have D sharp on the A string. And then fourth finger would be E. So for line number 1, you do not need to take repeats. So you just go right through it with the half notes. So line number 1. So for line number 2, you're going to be doing the E harmonic minor scale. So for the E harmonic minor scale, at the top of your page, it shows you the pattern for that. So you have a whole step to a half step, then you have 2 more whole steps, a half step, and then a big step, which is going to be a step and a half, and then you have another half step. Okay, and that step and a half is what gives it its Mediterranean, Middle Eastern kind of sound. Okay, so make sure that you play a nice high D sharp. Okay, it also shows you on the left hand side of the page at the top the letter names and the fingerings for the E minor scale, the harmonic form. So I'm going to play for you. You don't need to do the fermatas that are above notes, but make sure that you're reading the line and repeating the E's whenever they show up, okay? So you're starting on the C string. Second finger, because you have that extension for the F sharp. And that was line number 2. Now we're going to put the D sharp into context, into a piece, and that's going to be for Ancient Air, line number 3. You are working with the tempo andantino, which will be slower than andante. So you're going to be around a tempo marking of 70, between 65 and 70, okay? Watch your dynamics. Watch those D sharps, make sure that they're either nice and low for this D sharp on the D string or nice and high for the D sharp that is going to be on the A string.